Hello, hello, hello. I have Happy Mail, and I'm gonna be honest, this is obviously from Spellbinders. It's a bit of a mystery because what I'm expecting is my monthly kit, but this is in a different box than it usually comes. So let's you guys, so we're in for a surprise. Either I ordered something and I already forgot, there's a surprise, or they're packaging the monthly kit differently. So let's find out because I am due to get my February kit. So let's see what's in the box. Look! Paper! How exciting. Alright, let's get that out of the way. No, it is! Boy, they really crammed that box in there. Holy, but you know what? Look how pretty the box is. So maybe they heard me. So I got the whole thing for this month. So it's everything. I got the Stamp of the Month Club, which fits inside the, see, it matches, it plays, which is why I got it, because everything plays together, with the small die of the month. So I have seen some really wonderfully inspirational videos, so I'm really dying to play with this stuff. So that's a small die. This is the Stamp of the Month. I went ahead and got the Glimmer plates because I have the Glimmer foiler right under my desk in the box still from where I got it for Hobby Lobby, and I bought it cheap. You know, it was marked down. So it came obviously with the frames and a couple of sentiments. Very, very cool. And look, and it's so funny, I saw this, and when I saw, I'm like, wait a minute, I have the dies that do these flowers, so I may steal this idea, file off the serial numbers, and do my version of it, because look, they made it into a shaker card. Of course, we all know I hate shaker card. And they send another roll of foil, Glimmer foil, so this is really a really cool color, because it's, can you see, it's a gold, but an off gold, not like a screaming gold. Anyway, set that aside. The APG. This thing is huge. Look how huge this is. Oh my god. This is a monstrous die. Holy cow. They're hanging out with the Brits. Because you guys see the cards that come out of the UK, Tonic and other makers. Oh my god, these things are like monstrous. It's like, you know, I always think, I go, do they actually mail these things? I don't know. But anyway, look how cool it is. It is so pretty. And I should take my fat hat on the way. You don't care about my hand. You want to see the die. So yeah, I'm excited. This is what I love about Spellbinders, is just the coolness of their dies. It's like, ooh. So I got that. And then this is the large die of the month, which is the numbers. Look how cool those numbers are. Now I have big numbers. Yay, me. And again, they always, on the back of these, they always include a little sample just to make it easy. So I have to see who has a birthday coming up, and we're just going to make them a card using these things. So I'll look on my calendar and see who's next. And then now, here's going to be the easy part. Not the, like, oh my goodness, now. This is going to be, okay, let's see. Let's just flip this over and see. This is going to be interesting. Pardon me, excuse me. And shake it. Yep, it's coming out slowly but surely. Hang on, guys. Okay, hang on a second. I'll be right back. It just took a lot of serious shaking to get this box out of the box. But look how pretty. I'm excited just at the fact, look how pretty the box is. Usually it comes all banged up. I mean, this is last month. So it, you know, it seems worse for the wear. So I'm like, yay. I was channeling. Can you guys do what Tonic does? Tonic sends it wrapped inside a priority envelope. So it always comes really looking pretty. So that little wrapper makes a difference. So I think they heard me. So maybe because I ordered this stuff, who knows? Or the person who packs this up was a really good person. Yay, them. But anyway, this is the card of the month club. So I was too excited about this. Why? I can't remember now because I have slept since I watched the videos. Because I, like you, do also watch YouTube obsessively, all the time. Oh yeah, this is, they had me at hot air balloon. Gosh, I love hot air balloons. Is there anything I don't like? You know, it's like I'm into butterflies, I'm into this, I'm into that, I'm into everything. But this one had, look at that, how cute that is. So yes, we are going to have to, I mean, and they have all of these frames, which I don't care. To me, every single solitary one of them is a shaker card that wants to be made. So there you go. And it has all the dies. Look at that. I mean, that's a solid size. In comparison to the size of my hand, a balloon, and it's going to take some paper piecing. It screams paper piecing, if you can see, but I'm okay. I'm up to the challenge. We'll do it. So it comes. So those are your dies. That's a little card. The card which always gives you instructions for at least one of them. So we'll probably cheat and do a take on this and just the paper that makes me happy. So as you can see, it has all the frame bits. So let me just crank them out, just a few of them, and so these are all the framey bits. Some of them are black, but oh look, some of them in. So it's like it looks like almost half and half, and some in gold. But like I said, they're solid. They're chipboard, and look, I mean, tell me these are not all. Hello, they are going to be shaker cards. And who knows, I'm thinking they lend themselves. Think about it. How about if I put 3 together and make a slim line out of them? Isn't that cool? I think so. I already have, inspiration is coming upon me. Or is it perspiration, or is it a hot flash? I don't know. I don't know. The thing is, hopefully I don't sleep it off, because then I'll wonder, like, okay, what was I thinking about doing about this? Because there you go, I'm crazy. They always give you a free roll of tape. They give you little foamy thingies, and we're all old school, so not only do we use the foam dots, but we use the edge, everything. They always are generous. They give me a little bag of sequins to put in the shakers, which we will use that and more, and other things that I gather. Always their card, they always give you, I think it's 8 or 10. I always forget now. I have to count them every freaking time, but either 8 or 10 cards on envelopes, and they are nice. They're, I don't even know. I love them that they make it, whatchamacallit, when it's not flat. You guys know what I'm talking about, because obviously I'm having forward finding difficulties right now. But texture, it has texture on it, where we're going to probably cover it with stuff, but that's okay. I'm not going to complain. I love it. So they give me 8 cards to play with. Obviously it comes with stamps. I know for a fact from watching the video, I was on it the first of the month, because I order mine, comes out the second. So on the first, I'm watching the video to see what I want. So I know that for a fact it cut the dies amongst just the balloon, but it cuts out this little birdie, and then hugs and kisses, and I believe it's a little note. It's one of these 3. It also cuts out. So you get a couple of sentiments, but these are so stinking cute. Look at that little one. I mean, this one, look how cute it would look, colored up. And me, I'm not the colorist by any means of, but I'm still excited. And then we have stuff. We have, look, these I was wanted to open first, because we all know I have a thing. I have said it repeatedly. I have a thing for butterflies. Aren't these pretty? And they're not all my colors, because I'm not a purpley person, but now my mom's probably going to be the one that benefits by that, and or my niece will, either I'll make a card with her, or I will make her one, because she loves, both my mom and my niece, that's her favorite color, is purple. My middle daughter, Tatiana, that used to be her favorite color, and now she changed, and I forget what it is now. I think it's like green. I'm like, really? So I'm like, how dare you change it? But when she was little, oh my gosh, her room was all done up in purple. And then look at that. So these are dimensionals. Look how cute these are. Look at that. Look at the plane with the little tail on it. Oh, this is going to be fun. I look at that. Dream big. These are really, really cool. This is what I love about their kits. They give you so much stuff. It's so worth it. And then stickers. I may not make them upside down. So these are the little puffy stickers. Again, super adorableness, where you can put them. I mean, I would even be tempted to put them on an envelope if I were not mailing it out, unless I glue the crud out of it too. And then we have all of their bits and pieces, and there's always a ton. It's like, I don't want to break them out, but I want to, because I want you guys to at least see some of this stuff. But again, they're insanely, insanely generous with all the stuff. There's a little leaf there that they give you. Nobody gives you as much stuff to do cards as Spellbinders does. I don't know anybody that gives you this much stuff. I mean, all kinds of words and foo-foo-y stuff. And I always do the same thing. I make a big mess. I just don't want to break it all out. What I might do is just link you to the video for the card kit itself below, so that you can see, because they show it all out. They like spread it all out, and you can see everything that comes with it. It is still available. This is the current month, the February kit. So if at all interested, by all means, run over there. I'll link you to where you can sign up for the club. They always, along with the benefits of the club, is you get 10% off on all your purchases from Spellbinders. And they make their kit club really, really easy, because it always comes out on the day of the month you sign up. So I had originally signed up later in the month, and I changed it. I literally canceled it and then restarted it for the 2nd. So I can hopefully get it as early as I can. So it gives me the first to look at all the release and then decide, because you can turn on and turn off anything. You can skip it. You can cancel it. I mean, I canceled, I forget what I had before, or skipped it for the month, and then went straight for the big one, because I knew I was going to want everything. and you can play with it. So it is the company, it's most easiest I've seen with how their clubs work. So I super recommend it. Anybody also that follows VNA Creates like I do, she has shown several times how to adjust. And I may go on there and do it myself, just in case any one of you want to know. So here is the pad of paper that comes with it. And I know it's also, look at that. Look at the balloons. The paper is, I already knew it was going to be adorableness. Look at, oh my God. Can you see the metal? Hopefully you can see the gold foil on the butterflies. It's so cute. I like it. And here is purpley lines. Polka dotties, but it's like lined paper and polka dotties. So it's I don't know if you can see, it's subtle, but still it's there. Look at that. It is so, so pretty. This is a pad that I think I should have ordered more of it. I wonder if I can still lay my hands on it. And here's the clouds for the hot air balloon. And look at that. Just, you know, there's all of them. Each sheet. Look. Oh, look. These are so cute. The little birdies. I'm going to bring it in a little bit closer. Eek. Let me close that off. Okay, sorry about that. Flowers. Flowers. I'm not sure what that is. It's like ocean. Actually, it looks like, you know, ocean currents, like a map of ocean currents. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? I really like that. And more gold foil, the little rainbows. And little bugs. These are almost like they're a little yellow, but white, yellow background with white, what are these called? Dragonflies. There we go. That's the word I'm looking for. Little, you know, just all of these papers. This one is possibly the plainest that I'm going to be wondering what am I going to do with that. Paper airplanes. I like it. I'm still haven't hit the repeat section of all these sheets. So here are words, dream, just really, really cute. So the paper rainbow. There we go. Finally, we hit repeat. But look how far I had to go in before I hit the repeat. So there is plenty of paper here. And of course, they always include their own cardstock. So I love this pink. I remember I'm getting over my thing about pink. I've just come over to the dark side and say, you know, I really do like pink. So that's pretty. I love their gold, you know, mirror cardstock. Hello. Right there. And then a lighter pink, a purple, and their cardstock is nice. It's a nice weight. A pale yellow, a white, a minty green, and a pale blue. Oh, no, wait, there's one more. And a not so paley blue. So they give you, I mean, think about it, guys. For the price, and I think their card kit is like $38, I think. You get a lot of stuff when you start adding up, you know, that cardstock and the pad and the gumaflachis and the puffies and these guys and these guys and stamps. And no, wait, we've got dies in here and sequins and 8 cards in envelopes and the frames and a roll of tape and the foamy bits. Guys, I don't know where you can get this much stuff to make a card for that kind of a price. So there you go. That was your commercial. I love it. It's why I do it. I don't always, I'm going to be honest with you, I don't always do their card kit. It's not always speaks to me, but now 2 months running, they got me. So they have spoken to my creative heart. So anyway, I will now let you go. This is the mini, you know, the happy mail from today for Spellbinders. I'm going to try to actually get this uploaded, and I'll start working on, I'm still working on Valentine's stuff, so I may not get to this until beginning of next week, but I'm excited. I want to start playing with this. Okay, guys? So until the next one, if you enjoyed this, by all means, you know, give me a thumbs up, give me comments, you know, say hi, whatever. I love seeing comments from you guys. If you want to see more videos from me and follow me, you want to follow the madness as I go down the rabbit hole, then by all means, you know, subscribe and ding the bell so you know when I'm back on again. Otherwise, guys, have a great day. Go out there, be creative, and remember, we're all a little mad here, so scrap the madness, okay? Talk to you later. Bye.